In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wrike account. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting your account is a permanent action. It can affect any projects, tasks, and data connected to that account. If there's anything you might need later, it's a good idea to export or back it up first. Once you're ready and sure you want to proceed, follow along with these steps. Start by signing into your Wrike workspace in your web browser. When you're on the main Wrike screen, look toward the upper left area of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials or a picture, depending on how your account is set up. Click on this profile icon to open a small menu. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you away from your main workspace view and into the account settings area, where you can manage personal details, preferences, and other account-related options. Once you're in settings, you may see different sections or tabs related to your profile and account. You may need to click Settings again or make sure you are in the account or profile settings page rather than just workspace preferences. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place, because this is where Wrike keeps controls for account deletion and other sensitive actions. Now, look for the option that says Delete My Account. This is usually found in the Account section, often near the bottom of the page or grouped with other critical account controls. When you find Delete My Account, click on it. At this point, Wrike may remind you about what will happen when you delete your account, such as loss of access and potential removal of your personal data. After clicking Delete My Account, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is there to make sure you don't delete your account by accident. On this prompt, click on Continue Deletion to confirm that you truly want to go through with it. You may be asked to verify your decision once more, but following the on-screen instructions will complete the process. Once you've confirmed, your Wrike account will be scheduled for deletion according to Wrike's policies, and you'll no longer be able to access it.